In the odor removal and air quality business, your reputation is built on one thing: guaranteed results. When clients demand total air sanitization with duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, or restoration, you need professional equipment that delivers. Stop wasting time with low-output ozone units. The TriOx-20 is built for commercial reliability. It hits the critical threshold for ozone saturation with a powerful choice of either a 10,000 or 20,000 mGh output. This means faster treatment times with thorough penetration, used in residential and commercial spaces. The TriOx-20 is more than just ozone. It features a high-volume 250 CFM fan for superior circulation, forcing ozone throughout the treated space. Plus, its unique UVC light provides an added layer of cutting-edge, germicidal air purification, a premium feature your competitors can't offer. Engineered for the job site. Simple 120-volt operation, 112 watts. Heavy-duty ozone generators with easy maintenance designed to work as hard as you do. The TriOx-20 maximizes job success and secures your position as the high-end provider. The poly-molded, cross-linked polyethylene cabinet is ozone-resistant with a lifetime warranty against damage. It's nearly indestructible. Offer your customers a complete odor and pathogen control package that justifies a premium price. The TriOx-20. Power, penetration, profit. Visit aircare.com or call us at 800-322-9919.